way to make it through. Thought that I had ruined things.
Oh, hey guys, this is a lot of information you're about to get about Christmas because it's coming soon and it's around the corner and we've got lots happening here at Excel Church. So on Saturday the 17th of December, we have got the Christmas Fest. Yes, it's going to be happening for a day. It's going to be amazing. So you need to get your ticket in order to come along. Tickets are £3 for adults, £1 for a child. You can get them now online via our website. But if you want to volunteer, we are looking for volunteers. So if you're coming as a normal person, then come along, grab a ticket. But if you would like to volunteer, you can get in for free because you'll be helping us out and we do need volunteers. So talk to Dan if you're interested in that. Now, skip to the Sunday the 18th. We have got 2 carol services happening in the morning, one at 10 a.m. and one at 12 p.m. Now these are going to be ticketed, but they're free to come to, but you must have a ticket in order to come. And those tickets are going to be available from the 1st of December, so you can get in and get your ticket for one of those services. Now keeping on the Christmas trail, let's take you to Christmas Eve, okay? We've got the nativity play happening with our kids on the evening at 6 p.m. So you don't need a ticket for that, but come along because it's going to be a jolly great time, as they say. And on Christmas Day now, the big day, we're going to be having a service here at 10:30 in the morning to celebrate the real meaning behind Christmas, which is that Jesus had come to earth. So why not join us for that, for some praise and worship on Christmas Day in the morning. We'll see you for all that fun and joy. So remember it, but you can just pick up a flyer in the foyer as well. Okay, it's got all the info on it. So mark your calendars with everytheverything that's going on for Christmas at Excel. Just to let you know, on the 18th of December, there'll be no evening service here at church. And also on New Year's Day, on the 1st of January, there'll also be no services at all day. So, you know, it's New Year's Day. Just have a lie-in, guys.
Where could I run? Where could I hide? Why would I ever even try? I know I'm yours, I know you're mine.
So don't forget that this week is our Leadership Development Night. So make sure you join us for that this Wednesday at 7:30. And that's all for Church News. So thanks for joining us. Have a great week, guys.